Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the project and data. Open a new file, set the coordinate system and units so visuals match your expectations. Then import your CSV or spreadsheet and map columns to X, Y, and the value you'll graph. Once done, make sure to verify data types, remove blank rows, and set the date format when applicable. This prevents errors downstream and keeps axes accurate. You now build the visualization. Pick the appropriate chart type and immediately adjust scales and axis ranges to fit your data range. Next, apply color ramps, tune symbol sizes, and enable legends and labels so patterns pop. Then add filters, create calculated fields, and set aggregation rules. These let you summarize or highlight subsets. As you work, preview changes and iterate. You finish by exporting and sharing. Choose PNG, PDF, or interactive HTML, and set resolution and export options to match your audience. Save the project as a template and document data sources and transformation steps so you can reproduce results. If something fails, like rendering errors or blank outputs, first check memory usage, confirm field types match expected formats, and search for missing values. Correcting those usually resolves the issue and gets your graph back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.